It does.
All right, so we've got Yoshi here with best friend from the Humane Society of Utah.
Yes, this
Kendra,
is
huh?
Kendra. Kendra is our Mountain America Credit Union Pet of the Week, and let's get her to face the camera.
Oh, she's cute. Look at those
She
puppy dog eyes.
is adorable. Yes, she is a shelter transfer from Texas. We don't know a lot about her. We actually got a lot of dogs that just came from Texas, and so they were overcrowded down there, and we're doing a good job of getting these dogs families and adopted. So if you're looking for a 2-year-old Chihuahua mix, Kendra's perfect. She's a little shy at first, but once she warms up, she makes the greatest leg warmers when you're watching TV.
So she's a lap dog.
So she's a lap dog. Yeah, she's 2 years old. And her price is only $150, which includes vaccination shots, neutered, and microchipped.
That's less than the plane ticket.
That's right.
She still got here.
Yes.
Good.
She house trained, do you know?
You know, we don't know, and if we had to guess, probably not.
Okay, might need a little work on that.
Need a little bit of work on house training her, yeah, telling her, showing her where she can go and where she can't go, but
She's young and smart. So
exactly. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. All right, Yoshi, thanks.
Thank you.
Humane Society of Utah is the place to take a look at Kendra and the other dogs and cats. 801-261-2919.